Babaw Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga guys. Para sa video na to, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Marquee Mall, Angeles City, and we were invited by TGI Fridays. So I'm with our influencer and vlogger friends, media friends, and we're gonna experience today this amazing restaurant dito pa sa Angeles City. Samahan niyo ako, let's go! Now guys, again, welcome back to our video.
Yes.
Thank God we were invited by TGI Fridays. And located yan dito sa may Marquee Mall. And we are featuring yung kanilang 375 pesos mix and match.
Yes.
Ayun. So you can choose your appetizer, you can also choose your meat and tray.
Yes.
That comes with a drink and unlimited chips and salsa. So first step, you choose your appetizer. So ito yung entire choices natin. We have 6 actually. Truffle potato chip, onion rings, Caesar salad, mac and cheese bites. So this one is the calypso salad. And lastly, we have buffalo bites. Now if you order calypso and buffalo, may additional 80 pesos lang. So it also comes with the free drink. Ito yung iced tea natin. And an unlimited chips and salsa. So what did you choose? Anong pinili mo, Ma'am Gara?
Pork liampo.
Pork liampo.
Ako naman yung pinili ko yung kanilang 6 spice chicken.
So sa akin naman yung kanilang smoked crispy fish. Yung food na available po sa table natin today are the choices.
Yes.
You have to choose one from the appetizer, one from the entree, and then the rest is already given. So additionally guys, they let us try yung kanilang 99 light cocktails. Yan, for only 99 pesos. Very flashy para sa akin. Now, kung nabitin naman kayo guys, meron po sila dito bottomless. They call it bottomless mojito. 4 different kinds of flavors.
Yes. For only 349 pesos. Bottomless mojito na siya.
Cheers! Nice to see you, Gara. Brother.
Cheers. Okay, so additional sa ating order ngayon ay yung mga a la carte na. So meron tayo yung kanilang tostada nachos. Meron din tayo yung kanilang baby back full slab with 3 sides. Yan. So meron fries, onion rings, and yung corn and carrots. For the burger naman, meron tayo kanilang Fridays signature burger. Okay, for the pasta naman ay yung kanilang truffled pasta na for sharing. And additional sa salad, nag-order rin tayo yung kanilang buffalo chicken and honey blue cheese salad. Ito yung mga pwede mong pagpilian dito sa Fridays kung gusto mo ng a la cartes. Hindi natin papahuli dyan yung kanilang baby back na full slab. Titingnan natin yan. Sarap.
Be our last section and segment, and finally yung pinakihintay natin, dessert.
Dessert time.
Yeah, so before we taste them, siguro let's tell them the experience. Kumusta yung experience for the 375 pesos?
Ay, sir, sulit. Sulit na sulit yung 375. And sobrang quality ng kinain ko. Yung presyo nun, hindi ko ma-imagine na 375.
375 lang, no?
Since nasa TGIF ka, 375 talagang napaka-affordable.
Exactly. Additionally, guys, aside from the 375 pesos, if you're in the group, so you can also add on yung mga shareables nila dito. So, go check out, go visit. Ito po ang TGI Fridays Marquee Mall.
Available yung promo everyday then.
Everyday then.
Any time of the day.
Anytime of the day, anytime of the week. So you can also enjoy yung kanilang mga liquors, mga cocktails, mga booze. Yeah, enjoy the Friday here. Thank God it's Friday.
Let's begin na.
Yes.
Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. And Pampanga good news. Until our next discovery.
Until our next discovery. Peace out, guys. Bye.